Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the progress of the garden. If you are watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, please give us a follow. Please subscribe. Our raspberry bush coming to its end. Completely decimated by Japanese beetles. It's going to be time to start thinking about sacrificial plants in your garden in southern Ontario, because the beetles are here to stay. Unless you want to be out here fighting them every day, all day, trying to knock them off leaves. The local fauna will finally, eventually, deal with them. In the meantime, their grubs will just have to be deposited in your yards, eating your grass roots. This is a pepper plant, my oldest pepper plant, that has yet to produce a pepper. End of August. This is it. Its cousin that got planted at the same time has finally decided to start producing some peppers about a week and a half ago. Oh, the other tomato plant is starting to get some red tomatoes. And all our other pepper plants, I usually stick the banana peppers in when I'm canning. Just like I canned yesterday. Another 5 jars of zucchini, pickled zucchini. I've used up practically all my 1-liter jars. I still have some in use, holding some other stuff that I guess I could empty, but I put it to the end. I'm gonna start using my smaller jars, which comes down to, while we're here at the zucchini, this massive amount of zucchini here. Let's start pickling a different recipe. Maybe something sweet. Let me look something up today. Let's go back around the other side. Yeah, and the Japanese beetles, they just love the basil. Okay? They're in here all the time, munching on the leaves. No, nothing? Okay. And our beans. Again, just a handful yesterday for supper. But it was a really good handful. So maybe today we will get more beans. Oh, look at you. Potato plants in the corner of the yard. Yeah, these are doing much better than the box potatoes. Yeah. Just putting off the inevitable here, not digging these up. Our second batch of onions having harvested the onions already. Planted some more, and it's amazing how long these small little onion bulbs have lasted. Very good. All right, our squash boxes. Have some actual zucchini growing in it. It's been a mixture of different types of seeds, different types of squashes, spaghetti squash, these lovely little gourds, giant summer squash like this monster in here, perhaps probably even a pumpkin. Oh, there's a bit of a squirrel standoff going on. Nope. Let's see. I could just put my hand underneath here yesterday. That's got to be a pumpkin. And it's nice to see the pollinators out again this morning. But this will be the last warm morning. Temperature's going to drop tonight. We were achieving the low 30s, and now we will be into the mid to high 20s with an overnight lows into the low teens. So I really enjoyed this heat, but now Canadian summer will turn back into the Canadian summer. All right, let's go in the front. I find it amazing that the pumpkin flowers are lasting this long. Oh, here we go. Little pumpkin starting. If it bears fruit, we will have to take this down and bring it down to the edge. More munchy munch on the same leaf. Well, let's see if this plant survives. Okay. And that's going down there. New failed zucchini starts. If the bugs don't find the flower, it ain't gonna get pollinated. Not that there's a lack of critters, but Butch has opened up his flower this morning. Butch, the sunflower, has beat them all. Yeah, no flower yet. No flower yet. Our morning glories have really just stacked. Got a flower, what, 5 days ago now? And nothing since. Interesting. Okay, I see our little squash plant in the corner trying a desperate bid. It's being overtaken completely by the morning glories. And now this failed squash down here that got killed by the vine borers. I don't know if that's going to produce some roots there, but it needs more water. And you, pumpkinator. Those are tiny pumpkins. Just amazing, the growth. Well, Butch has a sunflower. Butch the sunflower has finally got a flower. Okay, very good. All right, if you've hung out till the end once again, I thank you. Appreciate you. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye.